Hello everybody, and today we're going to solve your problem on the F75 fault on the Vaillant boiler. My name's Tony Hernandez at Advanced Heating and Plumbing, and we cover most of Hertfordshire and London for emergency breakdown and boiler repairs. Okay, the problem that we are going to resolve today, as stated, was the F75 on the boiler. So we're going to go into the boiler and have a look at what could be causing that. The problem with the boiler is F75 comes up normally when there's a pressure problem in the boiler, so i.e. not enough water pressure, which can be shown on the indicator of the boiler, or there's a problem with the pump in the boiler not turning round. If you've got a problem with the pump, you normally get a rumbling noise when you reset the boiler, which I'm going to show you how to do. If you're not getting the rumbling noise and the pressure's still up to the correct pressure, then you're going to need a pressure sensor. Obviously, if you need the pump changing or the pressure sensor sorting out, then you're going to need to call a gas safe registered engineer. But if it just needs repressurizing, we're going to show you how to do that today, and also how to reset the boiler. Okay peeps, this is what we were referring to. Can you see the F75 on the boiler displayed here, telling us in the screen we have an F75 fault? So this is saying that there's a water shortage, or we need to repressurize the boiler. As stated before, this could also be a pump problem, or just air in the system, or needing repressurization, and on this occasion it's going to need repressurization. So what we need to do is put some water into the boiler. We've shown you this in a previous video, how to put the water in the boiler, but just to take you through it again, underneath here we have our valves. Here we go. There's valve 1 under there, and then there's valve 2 here. So we need to open both of these valves in order for the water to go into the boiler. So 1 is open, then we open 2, and you can hear that water going in. So while that's going in, we then go back to the boiler control panel and we want to see the pressure. So this is how we reset the F75. Here is the reset button. You must hold this in for 1, 2, 3 seconds and then release. Once you've released, the boiler will reboot. And there we go, problem solved. And can you see our pressure's up to where it needs to be? This tells us the bar of pressure in there. It wants to be lovely and in the middle there. That's lovely setting. So now we can check that pressure by pressing the bar button, and it's saying 1.9. So it should be between 0.8 and 3. But when it's cold, we want it 1.5. I've put it to 1.9, so I haven't got to come back in the loft and repressurize when I bleed the radiators. If you need to know how to bleed radiators, please look at our other videos and we'll explain how to do that. Okay guys, so this is your boiler here. This is your on-off button. You don't want to be touching this one. That needs to remain on. But just to show you, if you turn it off, your screen will go blank. Everything will go off. As you can see, the screen is now blank. So if you keep watching the screen, I'm now going to repower up the button. We power it back up and the boiler is booting back on. Now the boiler's booting back on, but there's a problem. It's got low water pressure. This can be what it's got at the moment, but also you can get F75 in here. So what I want to show you to do is, once you've done everything that's needed to be done, or you just need to reset the boiler and don't know how, here on the boiler display panel is the reset button. And all you need to do is hold this reset button in for 3 or 4 seconds, 2, 3, 4, release, and then it will reset and reboot itself on. I hope that our videos helped you in order to reset your boiler and get out of the F75 fault. As you know, you need to go on the front of the panel, as explained, reset the button, and you should be back up and running. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like our tips and tricks. And obviously, if you'd like to see more, you can get us on YouTube, or you can visit our website at www.advancedheatingplumbing.co.uk. Thank you very much, and we hope that you see us again soon, and stay safe.